Hello. Today I'm going to show you a fast, simple, and effective acupuncture point for pink eye. Pink eye, sometimes called conjunctivitis, is an inflammation of the transparent membrane over the white part of your eye. The membrane is called the conjunctiva. When the small blood vessels in the conjunctiva become inflamed, they are more visible, and that's what causes your eye to appear pink. Pink eye can be caused by a virus, bacteria, allergies, a chemical splash, dust particles in the eye, or a blocked eye duct. Pink eye can cause itchy eyes, a gritty feeling in the eyes, tearing, and a nasty goopy discharge. Infectious pink eye is contagious, and usual recommendations include avoiding touching your eyes, frequent hand washing, and not sharing washcloths, cosmetics, or anything else that touches your eye. Treatments like using artificial tears, cleaning your eyelids with a wet cloth, and applying hot and cold compresses focus on symptomatic relief. Medicated eye washes, antibiotics, and anti-inflammatory medications might be recommended. Acupuncture has long been used to treat all types of eye conditions. The pink eye miracle point is a surprisingly effective addition to your pink eye treatment regimen. The pink eye miracle point has been a closely guarded secret for centuries and does not show up in usual acupuncture charts. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The pink eye miracle point is located directly above the pupil of your eye at the upper margin of your eyebrow. To locate the pink eye miracle point, you want to be looking at yourself in a mirror. Look straight forward and find the point that is directly above your eye pupil at the upper margin of your eyebrow, just about here. Press in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the pink eye miracle point. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, I suggest you use the round end, and it might look like this. As with any points that are near your eye, care should be taken that your finger or the Tay shin doesn't slip off and poke your eye. Now find and activate the pink eye miracle point above your other eye. If you have pink eye, I suggest that you activate the pink eye miracle point 3 times a day till the condition is fully resolved. And if you know someone who has pink eye, I encourage you to share this video with them. It is intended to reduce the itching, gritty feeling, tearing, and goopy discharge. And just might produce a miracle. Thank you for watching. Till next time, this is Dr. Barrett signing off. Yours for health naturally.